Hi everybody, and welcome to the premiere edition of
Cooking with Mila.
And your name is Mila, right?
Yep.
Okay, so Mila, what do you have on the menu today?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese in the
Insta-Pot.
Okay, so Mila, what do we have for ingredients?
Pasta, cheese, Parmesan cheese, and chicken broth.
And we got some water there too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is it we're going to do first? We're going to put something in the pot?
Pasta.
Okay, but we're going to measure that. How much of the
2.5 cups.
2.5 cups. So let's get ready for that. Now what are you going to put in first?
The pasta.
Okay. There we go, right in that pot. What's next?
Broth.
There's the broth. What was that? 2 cups of broth? Yeah. Okay. What's next?
Cheese.
Shake some Parmesan. Pasta. And some water. We got a cup of water. And how about some butter? We got some butter. How much butter? 1/4 stick. Okay, there we go. So now, what are we going to do? Stir it up?
Yeah.
Now you're stirring it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and is there anything important to remember when you're stirring it?
You need to make sure it's even.
Even? Okay, so what? Like all the pasta is evenly? Okay, so now, after that, we're going to put the cover on it, right? How long are we going to cook it for, Mila?
6 minutes on high.
6 minutes on high. So, let's get that cover on. So right, Mila, we've got it for 6 minutes. And what about that little knob up top there? What is that? That the pressure knob? We have to make sure that it's not open, but it's closed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, how long do we have to wait?
6 minutes.
Okay. So now that we're back up to a minute, and the pressure is reducing it, but when we want to do it faster, Mila, what is it we have to do?
Turn this to the fridge.
Yes, okay. So now what are we doing now? Reducing the temperature? Reducing the temperature.
Reducing the temperature.
Okay. And then when this is all done, Mila, what are we going to do next?
Pour the cheese in.
What kind of cheese is that?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese? Wow, okay. So, let's take a look here to see what we got. So now, Mila, the pressure is off. We've got to take the cover off. And what are we going to do when we take the cover off?
Stir it.
Stir it up, okay. So let's get that cover off and see what we got. Oh, it looks perfection. It looks like perfection. So stir it up, Mila. And want to try one of those pieces of pasta? Make sure it tastes good. Tell me if you think it's good. Don't burn yourself. Is it cooked just right?
I'll put it right here.
Yeah. Want to try it?
I'm waiting till it cools down.
Okay, wait until it cools down. So when that cools down, Mila, what are you going to do next, honey? What's the next thing that we're going to put in?
Pour the cheese in.
The cheese, the mac and cheese. Okay, well, why don't we start that now? Let's try that pasta. How is it? Perfection? Okay, so we've got it stirred up, and now we're going to put the cheese in. And that's a special blend of cheese called
Mac and cheese blend.
Mac and cheese blend. Okay, so does it say what kind of cheese it is?
New York sharp cheddar cheese, American cheese, and Swiss cheese.
Okay, so let's put that in. And what is it, 2 cups or so? Does it say how much it is? Sure it does, somewhere there. What does it say how much it is?
8 ounces.
8 ounces, okay. So, let's start stirring. let's start stirring. And get that nice and gooey. And we've got a little blend of 2 or 3 different kinds of cheeses. And what are we going to do? We want to dry that up a little bit, so let's turn it on for a minute on saute. What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll dry it up. Okay, so let's turn that back on and saute for 3 minutes or less. And then it will take some of the liquid out. So, what do you think? How did it taste? Was it al dente just right?
Yeah.
Yep, just right to the taste. And who are we serving this for tonight?
My cousins and my siblings.
Right, and we're going to have some fun with this, right? Yeah. Why is it that you like American cheese so much? I mean, mac and cheese.
The cheese.
The cheese part. Okay, so we're going to maybe even add, why don't you add a couple more shakes of Parmesan in there. Okay, while this is dusting a little bit off. Okay, Mila's going to add a little bit more. And there we go. So stir that up. And now that we've changed that consistency a little bit, Mila, why don't you serve up a spoonful in that dish you have right there and give it a try. You can eat more than that, Mila. Give yourself a little bit more. There we go. There we go. Put it right in that dish. And how is it? You're doing it the old-fashioned way, right out of the community spoon. Right? And what do you think? You think your brothers and sisters and cousins are going to like that? Okay. So tell everybody where they can watch other videos of your cooking, right here on Cooking
with Mila.
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, everybody.
See you soon.
See you soon. That's it for today.